Welcome to the demo video for the integration between CyberArk PAM Self-Hosted and Microsoft Defender for Identity. We start creating the application in Azure. Once it's created, we open the application to find the directory tenant ID and the application client ID. Make sure to copy the details for later use. Next, we create some client secrets to be used by the integration to communicate with Azure. We specify a new client secret, copy the secrets of this application, and store these credentials within the CyberArk Vault. Next, we navigate to CyberArk and click Add Account. Select the system type, then select the Azure platform. Find and choose the safe where we want to store this credential. Define any account properties. The credential is now securely stored in CyberArk. Next, we set up the credential provider for CyberArk. In the CyberArk platform, we navigate to Applications to create the application for the central credential provider. This allows secure authentication and management of the secrets used by the integration. We add the application, specify the name, and make sure to remember it. Once the application is created, we will use certificate-based authentication for the integration. This certificate is used by the central credential provider to specify the certificate serial name and, if desired, the allowed IP addresses from which the application can communicate. Next, we will provide the application user access to the CyberArk safes to retrieve the secrets. This includes the Microsoft MDI credentials that we created earlier. We will search for the CyberArk MDI application and specify the list, retrieve, and view safe members. In addition, you should also add the application user to all the safes that should be synchronized with MDI. For those safes, grant the application user permissions to list accounts and initiate a credential rotation. Now that we are all set up, we will deploy the integration on the host. You can download the integration from the CyberArk Marketplace, where you will find the distribution file. After extracting the integration, we are ready to set up the configuration settings. Make sure to specify the application settings according to the documentation. Once the configuration file is set up, we can execute the installation. This completes the configuration setup. The integration is now fully set up and synchronizing the identities with CyberArk and Microsoft Defender for Identity. In the next part of the video, we will show you how it can be used as an end user. We open the Microsoft Defender for Identity portal and go to the Identities. As an example, we took a service account of a third-party solution. We navigate to the users. You can already see that some of the identities have tags associated with them. We open the user, and we can see that the tag, Privileged Account, has been added to the user, giving us insights about the risk of the user. We also have an action to reset the password by CyberArk to respond quickly to compromised identities. Finally, if we go back to the CyberArk console, we can see that this service account has been marked for credential rotation. Thank you for watching. You are now ready to use the integration.